Another travel vlog in the channel. Today we are again on a road trip and we are currently in Benguet province. So we started our road trip yesterday actually, but I was too tired and I'm quite a bit tired yesterday and I really want just to enjoy the ride, the scenery and everything. So I decided to just start the vlog today. But yesterday we passed through Baguio City. We ate lunch at the Farmer's Daughter. Check that out. It's very affordable and they serve authentic Ilocano food. And then we passed Baguio City and then we went to the mountains. We passed by Ambuclao Dam. My parents wanted me to see that. The last time they were there, I think it's a field trip in their college days. It's very beautiful. So I want to show you a little clip that I shoot while I was there. I did a little bit droning there and nasita kami kasi bawal pala. There were no signages and then when the guard saw that we were droning, he said na bawal pala, so I stopped droning. But here's a little clip for you. I want to show you the Ambuclao Lake and the Ambuclao Dam. And then after the Ambuclao, we were supposed to sleep at the Lolo Cancho's Inn and Restaurant. I hope I'm not butchering the name. It has a splendid view of the Ambuclao Lake and I was really very excited sleeping there. But the inn part of the establishment is not yet open, although the restaurant is open, so they're still not accepting any accommodations. But Google that place and their view is spectacular of the Ambuclao Lake. So we asked around kung saan kami pwede matulog and all of them pointed us to this place, Kidlao. I hope I got that right. Kidlao? Yeah, Kidlao. All of them pointed us to this place, though it does not have a spectacular view of the Ambuclao Lake, but I want to show you their view. So, when we first arrived here last night, it was dark and the only thing I can hear was the rushing of the water. That's one of the rivers that feed the Ambuclao Lake and it's very soothing. Yan ang naririnig ko nung natutulog ako and it's really very soothing. So this is what it looks like. The name of the place is Viewport Eatery and it's located at Bontoc, Benguet. Hello! So our sleeping quarters is upstairs and our room is room 2. So disclaimer, this is just a little bit of homestay. It's in the mountainside, a little house beside the river. So our room is number 2, room 2. So, nung una namin pagdating dito, there were 3 beds, but my mom and my dad are always sleeping in one bed. So, I removed, put to the side the other bed, so there's more space. And this is the view that woke me up this morning. Oh, so breezy. So I now remember the name. It's the name of the owner is Kindao. What did I say a while ago? Did I say Kidlao? The name of the owner is Kindao, and my dad said that counselor siya dito sa Bukod Benguet. So very respectable yung family nila. His wife is very friendly. The price of the accommodations is 250 per head. So that's very, very affordable. Just don't expect too much. Oh yeah, there's no outlets in the rooms, and the food is very affordable. When we first arrived here, there were 2 trucks parked outside and they were eating dinner downstairs. So this is a truck stop for truck drivers. I think that's it. So we're going to continue our road trip. We are heading towards Santa Ana. We are trying to reach Santa Ana if they will let us pass. So I'll see you on the road. Deck. Ay, wow, may pool! Wow! Broccoli. This is the only road going to Mount Pulag. We think that that's Mount Pulag, and parallel to this road is the Halsema Highway, the usual highway that travelers used when going to Sagada or Bontoc.
Good morning din po. Malayo. Bontoc.
Astro lang. Thank you.
Bontoc. Happy New Year. Naimbag nga bigat nyo, aldaw gayam. Problema.
Delikado dito pag umuulan.
Pagdan tayo dyan ng bato.
Ilang tons ang sakyan natin.
May mga truck. Ay,
Stoughton Road. Ayan sa Galo.
you are now entering road Sagada at well. Yan o. Bisaw.
We have arrived at Bontoc. Finally, the whole day. Grabe, ang nakikita ko lang is liko-liko na daan and masuka-suka ako. Anyway, we are checking in at Archog's Hotel and Restaurant. This is a hotel and restaurant owned by a close friend of ours, and let's check it out. Clearing my mask. So we already checked in, and I think the room they gave us, the name, I want to show to you the name. We are on the 2nd floor and 3 beds. So ito lang yun sa 2nd floor na may 3 beds. So the name of the room is Hatayan, and it's only 1.7 per night. And this is the restaurant. We're gonna eat first because we skipped lunch.
Sarap.
Yay! Oh, 3 beds. And here's the Sintra. Uy, may heater. Sana may heater yan. Nakaligo man ako. Here's the rat. There's also a balcony. Whoa.
The next day.
Naimbag nga... Ay, Tagalog ba kayo?
Ay. Ano naman na nagapan niya sa
Stay Bontoc. Pastro lang kami. Kami dyan, Santa Ana.
saan na.
Tagayan.
May ano kayo? Lagin pa yun na lang. Sa kanya.
Aglag-in pa dito eh. Rumor kami pa eh.
May order.
Boss,
Thank you.
salamat ha. Thank you, thank you.
Where's the road?
Ooh.
12 o'clock midnight.
balcony tayo. My TV. COVID-19 protocols, menu. What's this? And this is the bathroom. There's a disinfectant spray. And nilabas na namin yung aming hand soap. Newest flavor, Christmas spirit. And there's a shower head. May bidet naman. This is the shower. And hot and cold shower. And this is the bathroom. The most important room in hotel for me.
The next day.
Today is our 4th day in our road trip. We're still here in Tuguegarao City. We decided to stay for 2 nights here in Mango Suites. I'm in our balcony, by the way. We took a rest day, and since it's Sunday, we have a Zoom church service. We stayed in the room for the whole day, and tomorrow we're going to hit the road again. So see you tomorrow morning. Bye.